let's learn how to set up web push promotional campaign. So simply go to campaign section over here and click web pushes. So you will go to all web push campaigns. Click new campaign and let's try to create a first campaign for you. So first of all, campaigns, promotional campaigns will look like this. So you can double check how it looks on different devices. You can change title, description, redirect where you want, and you can add up to 2 call to action buttons. So just simply name it, add a redirect URL, and then that's it. So another step will be to upload icon. So you can choose from icons we already have in our database, or you can upload your own icon. You can also upload big hero image, which makes your push notification look slightly more convenient, and you can show some sort of promotional or sales image. You can use again images we have inside our database. They are split by different occasions, so you can, let's say, if you want to send something for Black Friday, simply choose from a list. If you don't want to have an image over here, you simply can click over here and just remove it. So your push will look like that. You can activate a discount code and copy paste that discount code from your Shopify store. So as soon your customers clicks on push notification, they will go to your store and will start seeing countdown with the discount code inside. So they have possibility to copy that code, and then that code automatically will be applied during checkout process, which is awesome. Then scroll slightly down where you can boost your campaign and send at least once after 24 hours. You can schedule your campaign, and then you can check your campaign details. As soon as you are happy with the results, you can check it by sending test message. You can click send to all subscribers, and that campaign will be sent to your customers. I hope it helps, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. Cheers.